Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to make the Vehicle Fabricator in Subnautica 2. You'll need the Vehicle Fabricator if you want to build a tadpole or any other underwater vehicle that will help you explore deeper and travel more efficiently. To build one, open your Habitat Builder and navigate to the Standard Elements tab. Under the Vehicles section, you'll find the Vehicle Fabricator blueprint. It requires 2 titanium ingots, 1 copper ingot, and 2 glass. Let's start by gathering plenty of copper, quartz, and titanium. Once you have the materials, head to your processor and configure it to craft a copper ingot. Select the recipe and click Load Processor to begin production. After the copper ingot is crafted, configure the processor again and switch the recipe to titanium ingot. This time, queue up 2 titanium ingots by selecting Load Processor twice. While the ingots are being produced, head over to your fabricator and craft the glass you'll need. You'll find it under the Resources section, and each piece of glass requires 2 quartz. Once the processor finishes its work, collect the copper ingot and both titanium ingots from the output container on the right side of the machine. Before placing the Vehicle Fabricator, make sure you've already built a moon pool large enough to accommodate it. The Vehicle Fabricator can only be installed inside a compatible moon pool. With all the required materials ready and your moon pool in place, open your Habitat Builder and construct the Vehicle Fabricator. You can now start building vehicles to make your underwater adventures much easier. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.